Oh, hi everybody, welcome back. Just doing a quick stash update. Dario and I went to the Kingston Model Show a week or so ago in Kingston, Ontario, and it was a smaller turnout I think that year, but there was a few tables of vendors, and I bought a few kits. I got this one here, the AMT 63 Stingray at 1/32 scale, and the Airfix Aston Martin DB5 in 1/32 scale. So I got those for the small scale group build the next year or so in February for that group build. I got a few other things here. Got this Monogram 64 Mustang. Of course these are all open boxes, but we got really good deals on them. This one's got the bonus Batman comic inside. Okay, and we got both hands going here. Comes with this little miniature Batman comic book put out by Monogram. It's got Monogram commercials in it. Advertisements. Haven't read it yet, but looks like it. Fun little bonus there. Kit's still in the bags. That might be up next. I've seen a lot of others building that 64 and a half Mustang, and they say it's quite a nice kit, so I'm looking forward to that. Got the AMT depth charger, Aqua Rod. I'm looking for that one. Got a good deal on that. Might build that, try and hold on to it till next year for the random weirdness group build. I got another, I already have one of these, but I got another one, 62 Thunderbird convertible, because I want to do it in a couple of different colors. And I got this Revell Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. I wanted to do that up, and I have a couple of ideas for colors for that. I also bought a bagged kit of a completed Plymouth Roadrunner, I think it is, the wing for parts. Just a sec, I can get that, show you that one. I picked this one here up for $5. I just put it in one of my donut cases. It's one of those Plymouth Superbirds, I guess. It's missing the wing on the back, but it's got the Daytona front on it. Dodge Daytona or Plymouth Superbird, one or the other. And I just wanted that for parts. It's missing the wing. I think everything else is there. So I have an idea for that if it works, and it'll show up in one of my future videos as well. So made a pretty good purchases on some of these. Got some really good prices on these kits, and they're nice to find them at the show. So thanks for following along, and stay tuned to see what's up next.